how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us version of the Grinch. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so stick around all the way to the very end of the video. It's only 8 minutes, so let's get started, okay? Before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I'm trying to grow the channel. And also don't forget to, hit that like if you enjoy this topic. All right, let's do it. Curve over here. Curve around the front. What we're doing is we're drawing the visor of the crewmate. Curve along the left. And curve underneath. Line over here for the Christmas hat, line over here. Over here on this side, curve, another curve for the Christmas hat. Going over here, and all the way across for that Christmas hat he's going to wear. Go over here, the back, curve, down. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the Grinch's mouth. He's got that really big kind of... So there's a side of his face, and I'm going to zigzag it over here. And I'm going to pull it down over here. He's got like a heart-shaped face. And we're going to put that into this crewmate. Zigzag over here. Down. Alright. Over here at the top. Curve on one side of the smile. Curve on the other. Pull down. Up over here along the edge. Line for the bottom, the kind of the middle of his lip. And we're going to go to the front of his body, pull down for the front of his body. And now we're going to curve underneath. Curve underneath here for one foot. Curve underneath here for the other foot. He's got like a teddy bear-like body. Pulling up, in, and up here. Alright, let's go over here and draw the backpack. I'm going to draw a line out. It's going to be kind of halfway between that the visor there. Line up, down, curve in around where the bottom of the waist is. Up. Over here for the top of the hat. Down. Curve a line in. In here. Popcorn ball at the end there for the end of the Christmas hat. I'm going to go over here. Curve a line over here. Really thick line for kind of like the reflection in that visor. So let's add a little bit of color to him. I'm gonna grab a, let me see, I'm gonna grab a light, well, let me see. I'm gonna grab a green first. Green right here. And I'm gonna do it in marker. You can use anything you like though. You don't have to use marker. You can use literally anything, crayon, colored pencil. The only reason I'm using a marker is because it's easier to demonstrate with, because it's quicker. But if I was demoing, if I was just doing this on my own, I would probably use colored pencil because of the control that it has. Colored pencil has a lot of control, and so I like that part of it. And if you use a marker, I would use any type of marker. Crayola works, but Crayola will smear, I've noticed. It will smear the black ink that's down there. Even though I use Crayola for the black ink, I use it because it's so inexpensive. There we go. There, see how quick that was? I kind of do that for the purposes of like, hey, this is quick to like demonstrate stuff with. Let me grab a red real fast. What the? Sorry, I couldn't get it. And I love the Grinch, by the way. If I never saw the new CG Grinch. I should really see that. Seems like a cool, interesting movie. One over here. There we go. And I'm gonna grab a light blue, and I'm gonna put it through this bottom half. Oh, that's not a light blue. That's a purple. That's more of a purple. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, here I got more. I got a better one here. Whoops. This one's actually a light blue. Go over here. Curve through it right there. The bottom right there. Just to kind of make it look more like a reflection. And the other thing I'm going to do is go over here along the edges of the white, just along the edges, and it gives it more dimension, you know? Don't forget, check out my full lessons on Skillshare. I'm going to put the link in the description. It is really, really, really cool to go do that. So absolutely go check those out. If you really want to learn how to draw, I have all the basics there, and they're completely free for the time being when you sign up for Skillshare. Skillshare, you can get that totally free for a month if you click the link there and actually go over to do that. One thing I forgot was I'm going to put some zigzags right here to make them look furry. Like a zigzag there, and a zigzag here, and maybe even a zigzag on the backpack to make it look like, hey, he's covered in fur, and that's kind of the whole idea of this. And I might thicken the line out here. And actually, I might thicken the one here as well, just along the edge. I saw it looks really thin right there. And that's it. Thank you so much. Like I said, I appreciate it. If you want to do the biggest, coolest thing ever, it would be to share the video. Share it with a friend that you think might enjoy it, or just press share on Twitter. So if you go over here on the bottom, just press the share button, share. It'll be amazing. It'll like just share it to Twitter automatically, or anything else. Helps the channel out, helps the growth of the channel, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you very soon. Merry Christmas.